Greetings, this is an update for July 31st at 1:30 p.m. That's a shot from 2 days ago approaching Clinton from the Big Bar Lookout. If we look at the webcam on Drive BC today, there's one of our gendarmes patrolling the area. Traffic is blocked on Highway 97. And if we look at the map, for the plateau and the Clinton area, there are a lot of hotspots, but they have remained consistent with the 10 o'clock update. There hasn't been a change in the fire line or the perimeter. Looking at the northeast flank, there's half a dozen hotspots that are moving north. The satellite infrared data from the Canadian Wildland Information System is showing those hotspots approximately 10 to 12 kilometers south of 70 Mile House and 5 to 6 kilometers east of the eastern wall of the chasm. Now I'm taking a look at the southeast flank. The hotspots are showing approximately 4 kilometers from Gorge Creek as it goes into the ravine at Dead Man River. The southeast flank does appear to be contained within the same fire perimeter that we saw last night. Now I'm looking at the northwest and the northern flank of the fire and looking at Clinton. Those hotspots have not approached any closer to the village of Clinton. If we zoom in, we can see that there's 3 hotspots west of Highway 97 near Alkali Lakes, and there's approximately 5 hotspots still on the hillside just south of Clinton, approximately 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers from the village. There is also one hotspot still showing about 4 kilometers east of Clinton and north of Highway 97. It looks to be about 500 meters north of the highway. I'm just switching over to windy, looking at the forecast, and winds should continue from the northwest, variable for the next 4 days all the way till Friday. And if we pull back and look at the wind patterns, they're flowing at approximately 7 kilometers from the northwest. And the second forecast model available on windy is also showing northwest north breezes from about 10 kilometers an hour. I'm going to switch back to the cam at Big Bar, and there looks like a pumper truck that's across the highway, and not a lot of people, probably just in official capacity observing the fire. That's Highway 97 from Clinton to 70 Mile House is now under evacuation order. So that's an update. It's a volatile situation up on the plateau. The fire can move fast, but it looks like crews and air support have been able to hold the fire line on the Chasm Plateau. And we want them to be especially safe as the temperature looks to rise for this next week. Drive BC is showing 25 degrees, but it probably feels like 40.